What if I tell you that your skin's glow, your energy, and even how fast you age depends more on your sleep than the most expensive cream in the market? Research shows that disturbed sleep can make a person look older by almost 10 years. On the other hand, healthy sleep acts like a natural anti-aging treatment. Today, you will discover how sleep hormones keep your body youthful from the inside out. Hello everyone, I am Dr. Ayur Mulam. Most people worry about wrinkles, grey hair and aging skin, but very few think about sleep as a major solution. We rub creams, apply serums and try countless beauty treatments. But the real beauty work happens while we sleep. Our hormones work like a repair team every night, fixing cells, healing tissues and refreshing the skin. Poor sleep blocks these hormones, speeding up aging. In this video, we will explore how sleep hormones like melatonin, growth hormone and cortisol influence your aging process and how improving sleep can bring back energy, youthful glow and long-term health. When sleep hormones fall out of balance, changes start showing very quickly. People notice dull skin, dark circles and rough texture. Wrinkles start appearing earlier. Hair becomes weak and starts falling. Weight starts increasing around the belly area because metabolism slows down. Memory becomes weak and mood becomes unstable. The body begins to feel tired even after small efforts. These are not small issues. They are signals that sleep is failing to do its repair work. Your body is telling you that aging has picked up speed. Your sleep depends on your internal clock called the circadian rhythm. When night comes, melatonin levels rise. Melatonin is an incredible hormone that repairs cells damaged during the day and protects them from aging. It works like a master antioxidant that helps you look fresh and youthful every morning. If you delay sleep or use screens at night, melatonin release stops and your skin loses its natural healing. Another key hormone is the growth hormone. This is also called the youth hormone because it rebuilds skin collagen, strengthens muscles and burns extra fat during deep sleep. When growth hormone is high, your skin stays firm, body stays strong and mind stays sharp. If deep sleep is disturbed, growth hormone drops and aging begins earlier. Cortisol, the stress hormone, should be low at night. But if you stay stressed, watch screens late or overthink, cortisol increases. High cortisol weakens skin elasticity, causes belly fat and affects memory. Poor sleep equals high cortisol, meaning fast aging. Ayurveda explains that night is a natural healing time when the body cools down internally. This cooling supports skin rejuvenation and balances Pitta dosha, which controls heat and inflammatory reactions. Staying awake late disturbs this balance, leading to heat-related skin issues like acne, pigmentation, and early wrinkles. So, science and Ayurveda both conclude, the younger you want to stay, the better you must sleep. If you experience constant difficulty falling asleep or staying asleep for weeks, you should talk to a doctor. If dark circles, aging signs, or hair fall are increasing despite good diet, sleep hormones may need attention. If snoring is loud or breathing stops during sleep, sleep apnea might be the reason, which needs treatment. If stress is constantly high and sleep feels unrefreshing even after many hours, hormones must be evaluated. Getting support early prevents long-term damage to body and skin. The most direct way to boost melatonin and growth hormone is to respect the natural rhythm of the body. Eating a light dinner, finishing it early and going to bed at the same time daily trains the brain to release sleep hormones on time. Avoiding bright screens 1 hour before sleeping helps melatonin rise naturally. Creating a calm bedroom environment by reducing noise and keeping lights dim relaxes the mind. Nutrition plays a strong role. Eating foods rich in antioxidants, healthy fats, and magnesium keeps the body ready for deep sleep. Herbal teas like chamomile or lavender relax the nervous system. Hydration must be maintained throughout the day because dehydration increases stress hormones at night. Daily movement sharpens sleep quality. Even simple walking improves melatonin regulation. Yoga in the evening relaxes the nervous system and prepares the mind for deeper sleep. Sunlight exposure in the morning helps reset the biological clock so that melatonin release at night becomes stronger. Supplements like melatonin, magnesium or vitamin D may help some people but only with medical advice. Taking wrong medicines, alcohol or smoking to sleep faster actually damages the sleep cycle in the long run. Ayurveda recommends calming bedtime rituals like oil massage on feet and warm herbal drinks that help balance vata and promote relaxation. Keeping stress low is very important. Stress is one of the biggest enemies of youth. Practicing gratitude, slow breathing, and avoiding late night thinking reduces cortisol and improves sleep hormones naturally. Emotional peace is a powerful anti-aging treatment. The earlier you start caring for your sleep, the better your body will age. Making sleep a priority protects skin, immunity, heart health, memory, and emotional balance. Fixing sleep today reduces disease risk tomorrow. A person who sleeps well looks younger, feels happier, and thinks clearer. Prevention is simply about making a lifestyle that supports your nighttime healing process every day. You can buy the most expensive skin serum in the market, but if you ignore your sleep hormones, aging cannot be stopped. Sleep is the secret that nature gave us for free. Melatonin and growth hormone are your most loyal protectors against aging. When you go to bed on time, you allow your body to repair itself and wake up younger every day. Better sleep means better skin, better brain, better metabolism, and a longer, healthy life. If this video helped you understand why sleep is the real anti-aging tool, please like this video and share it with someone who also wants to look and feel younger. Write your questions in the comments below. I read them and try to guide you personally. Subscribe to this channel for more scientific and Ayurvedic knowledge to improve your health and beauty naturally. This is Dr. Ayur Mulim, wishing you peaceful nights and youthful mornings ahead.